Today we have another Masonry IQ tutorial video where we're going to cover how to render your masonry pattern in Revit with Masonry IQ. Once a pattern is created, you can go to Properties and select Material Schema. This will generate a new window that has a map of the US with pins that represent block and brick manufacturers that are hosting their product on Masonry IQ. Select the pin of a local producer to the project you are designing. An entire library of their product that they're hosting will be available for you to browse, and you can narrow down by searching by texture, weight, or cost tier. Select an image, get a larger view of it, and then hit Add Material to add it to your palette. Browse through the library and start selecting different textures and colors that might fit your design intent. Once you've selected all the colors you would like to add to your palette, click OK. A new window will generate that will have a 3D view of the pattern that you have created, along with a breakdown of every course that makes up your pattern. Select the courses that you would like to combine, much like you did with the pattern building, and right-click and hit Combine. This will create a group that you can quickly add material to by just selecting it and dragging and dropping it to that group. The images collected from that manufacturer will populate randomly into all those available courses. There's also an option to change mortar color to where you can select available options from manufacturers that they have photographed and input into Masonry IQ. Quickly change out mortar to see what effect that has on the overall design of the masonry. You can do the same with the rest of our pattern by highlighting the courses you want to combine and group those together. If we open up the group, we can see every course that makes up that group. You can select individual courses and drag and drop material into those highlighted courses to change out individual course material. You also have the ability to change out individual units within the pattern. Click the unit selection checkbox and select the material you want to use, and then you can click and change colors for individual units within the pattern. There is a directory location to where you can set all of your renders to go. You can select that here by that location, as well as have a bump map created by clicking the check. Click OK to continue. And this will take us back to Revit to where we can now flip to realistic and see the render image that was created with the material schema. We can go to the directory location where our renders are being sent. Here is a high resolution image that can now be used with other rendering platforms that you may be utilizing. For more tutorial videos on how to use Masonry IQ, visit our website at 3diqinc.com or visit our YouTube channel.